chill. Like, I said before when I was oh, yo soy bajón.
I mean, actually, well, that's the thing with the second level. I didn't know it's called. I think that's called. I don't know. Well, it's also System Hall. And Ancient Cheese is a bit difficult. I mean, it's not that difficult. I just almost lost the concept 4 times. Which is basically exactly the combo. That was awful, to be honest. Okay, black 10 is the last flag, the last match. And it always honestly is like, it literally is hard to like,
He's not being visual.
I hope it
Being visual.
I forgot, I have to change the object. I don't know if it's the exact thing, so let's do that.
I don't think so.
It does. Don't you remember when you said that the last time you attacked you was
Well, I'm not killing big.
What if it does though? What if it falls down?
Killing you. Killing you. Killing you. Too late. Too late. Well, I still have to do this, so it doesn't make any difference.
Well, you have to watch the 3.5 hour watch and you only be like an hour.
Does not make a difference.
And I wasted like almost an entire day watching it.
Too bad.
Too bad.
Yeah. Get the noise of that out. Get it?
Oh my god, there's no way that someone just said that.
Look at my reply.
No one blocks noise blocks. I'm just gonna say no. Oh, what? Okay, what the actual fuck? Why is there front cannon goblin lap 7? Front cannon crosshair lap 7. Front cannon goblin trigger lap 7. Front cannon
To all the objects. Oh, green pizza sign. I burp. I burp.
Oh yeah, it's like, you realize that noise blocks are last health hotfix time.
Yeah.
Are you adding those blocks to your
No. I hate noise blocks.
You should add. No, I need object front cannon crosshair. God damn it. I need to add 3 objects to this. What's trigger lap 7? I remember. Don't you remember when trigger lap 7 is used with object underscore sticks? It's lap 6.
Yeah, lap 2 visual.
Oh no, not lap 2 visual!
Then I have to add the 2 variables. Whoosh.
Whoosh.
Yeah, there's a variable called whoosh in the hotfix lap 2 visual.
I love whoosh.
Yeah, whoosh and signer. Whoosh and signer are both only used in Elmo.
Oh wait, that's what Oh wait, no, I just need to circle each of got it. Alright, then I need to add this, like, I need to put this pie graph. Then I need to add 32, 32. I don't know what this is doing, but it's something. So I'm gonna put it there because it's probably necessary. Great code. Alright, a long code. Alright, 2 step codes. And then 2 draw codes. A draw and a draw. But I hear a wham.
Now, all I have to hope is that there isn't anything that makes take these to fix.
Yeah, if you like, oh, there's
If there isn't anything to fix, I just need to have a backup of the 1.0, the 1.0 data that one, and I can compare them to see what would actually change, and I can just do it myself. Don't worry. Don't worry. I email him and Tig and I'm like, hey, tell me what the fuck you doing, bitch. Yeah, I always do that. Like every time.
What do you mean every time? You've done it more than once?
Every time.
Well, I hope they don't go past because then I'm gonna have to remake the entire thing again.
No.
What the hell is that?
And I said, 7 hours of non-stop noise action, and then someone replied with noise shots.
Oh my god. You probably figured out the second LeBron
The wrong channel. Oh fuck, not the wrong channel. God damn it.
Oh my god.
Not again, not the wrong channel.
Let's see.
Bro, there ain't no way he copy and pasted his description into the PT Mods videos channel. Oh my god.
Other left mod was what room is that?
I don't know. I wanted to say.
Is that Waster?
Yes, it's Waster.
Was it?
Yeah, it's Waster. I can tell. I can tell it's Waster.
No one cares about Waster though. Waster's like Waster.
I'm pretty sure I can probably test that.
Connection terminated. I'm sorry, dude. I just got to that part of the map photo and couldn't go to where it activates that. Yes. Yes. In chaos mode. And don't make a sound. I'm looking forward. It also does it on lap 5 too, and it continues from partway to do it on lap 5.
Yes.
Well, maybe with object exit gate. Die. Die equals 1.
Die equals 1.
Okay.
Wait, sorry, why does die equal 1?
It makes the door shut.
Doesn't die mean that you're dead?
No, die equals 1 for the exit gate.
Oh.
I had to make a thing called die to make it so it would shut up.
That's funny. You know, I have no idea if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. It's probably gonna crash.